Man, I think the heater's busted. It's freezing in here.
It's really cold.
Yeah, it's so cold.
Hey guys, we almost have it figured out. We just need to replace this part.
How are we gonna fix this?
I know. We can go to Big B Manufacturing.
Yeah, they'll help us. Let's go to Big B.
Big B Manufacturing can make anything. They're a machine shop located in Klingerstown, Pennsylvania. Let's talk to some of their employees.
My name is Willie Reiner, and I am the weld shop foreman, basically. Pretty much so keeping the guys fed with jobs and answering any questions or problems that come up throughout the day. Efficiently, I would say hire more people. You basically need to want to work. You need to want to work and take enough pride in what you do.
My name is Josh Barrett. For me, the idea of taking like stock material, the raw material that's only worth its weight, and turning that into something totally different for a purpose.
My name is Matthew Long. It's the Hypertherm 400 HD. It is the best on the market at the time when we purchased this machine. It's able to cut up to 2 inches thick material without any issues.
My name is Andrew Kovich. I'm the engineering supervisor here at Big B. The variety, basically every day changes and we see something new every single day.
My name is Haley Schwartz and my role is order entry. So I work very closely with my production planning team. They're the ones that give me the lead time and then they go out to the shop.
Hey guys.
Hey, I got you this part from Big B Manufacturing.
Oh, thank you. This is just what we needed to get the heat running again.